Hello my friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard kit. This one is Home Sweet Home. And if it's still available, I'll have it linked down below. But we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at what came in it. I just literally got back from camping and I could not wait to open this box and show you what is inside. So this is how they come. They're in their cute little pink box. And then they are packaged up so cute with some tissue paper, and then you have your bag. They always come with the bag, and I love the bag. I seem to be on the go a lot lately, and so this bag is fabulous if you are an on-the-go stamper, or even if you're not and you just want to keep things together. So that's another thing I love about it. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. But yes, this is the bag it comes in, and like I said, I love this because, you know, if you just want to keep extra pieces together so that when you want to craft, you can just pull it out and, you know, just stamp and craft with one particular set. It's great. All right, so this one is called Home Sweet Home. Like I said, if it's still available, I'll have it linked down below. Here's the little information card that comes with it, and I love these because you could just pop this right on the front of a card when you're done with it. You know, when you're done with the back part, you could pop this right on the front of a card base and you'll already have a card. So is that not super cute? Always in my heart. And so this is great because this was for September 2020, and it gives you all the kit contents and the color palette, and I love that. Pink and Main kits are fabulous for their everything just matchy-matchy. So I really do like this color palette. It's great. So again, Crafty Courtyard, Home Sweet Home. All right, so let's take a look at what comes in our bag. All right, we have some glitter tape. This is American Crafts, and this is 4 feet worth of glitter tape. I think one of the past ones I did, just recent, had pink and blue in it, so now I've got some green to add to the mix, but I love their glitter tape. It's beautiful, and 4 feet is a lot, really. So there is that. We also have, some Glossy Accents. Now, these are nothing new, but Glossy Accents are never going away. I love Glossy Accents. I use them so often. In fact, I think I'm on, I don't even know what bottle this would be, but it's half a bottle. I mean, that's the one I recently have open, and I always keep it on my desk, but it's always, always, always good to have another one. So you'll be seeing that used quite frequently. Then we have, some more tape. So this is almost like a Scotch kind of tape, and it has a design on it, and this one is like doilies. I don't know if you can see the doilies on there. So it's got little like doilies, and I love that it's clear because you can stick this right on top of like some colored cardstock and you have a beautiful embellishment, and it's so pretty. All right, here is the sequin mix. So isn't that super pretty? Just see what the card says. I don't think they have names for the sequin mix, but yeah, so it's the exclusive sequin mix, and look at how pretty. It's like got these light blues and greens and yellows in there. Super, super pretty, iridescent, absolutely gorgeous, and a lot in there. Okay, we also have some enamel dots, and they're glittery enamel dots, and of course they're in the color palette. Those are gorgeous. Oh, the beauty about having things like this rather than like Nuvo drops is that this is dry already. So let's say you need to make a quick card and you want to add an embellishment, but you don't have time to wait for it to dry. That's where these are just awesome. There's that. We also have ribbon, and this ribbon is gorgeous. Again, goes with the color palette. It all does. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. There's about a yard each. And I actually like to take the ribbon and use it on card stacks. I'm sure you've heard me say that before if you've watched at all, but I like to take my cards and package them up because I give them out as gifts quite frequently. So, love those. Then we also have 4 of the envelopes, which is great because you already have like a card set you can make up. So there you go. Then what do we have? Ooh! Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we have the stencil. This is stunning. So it's an exclusive stencil. We don't have a name for it, but it's usually not available separately. Sometimes there might be extras available separate. If she has those, she'll mark them in the store, but it's usually the month later. But look at how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. Oof, I like that. So there's our stencil. Oh goodness, and then our paper pack. I'm going to wait on the stamp set. I always try to wait on the stamp set. We'll do that very last. And I like to open up my paper packs and actually my stencils and stamps this way because it's just easier to put them all back in there and keep everything contained. But here we have 24 sheets, 6x6 paper pad. Let's pull it out and take a look. Oh my gosh. Whew, that color combo is stunning. Stunning. All right, so we have these beautiful butterflies. You could paper piece those beauties. All right, so we've got the butterflies, and then on the back is this really pretty yellow pattern. Oh, then we have these like little hearts. Then we have like a green pattern, the same pattern. Ooh, these are fun because you can cut them into strips and add those to your cards. I mean, the one that says Home Sweet Home. Love that. So there's that one. Then the back pattern is a darker green. Then we have some flowers. Those are beautiful. Ooh, and that is like my favorite color these days. And then we have this pretty flower, and then we have a lighter blue. I like that we're hitting all the colors there. Oh, that's pretty with the flowers. Ooh, dark blue. Then we have this beautiful striped pattern. We have a gingham. Then we have that beautiful pattern. And a cloud pattern. Look at how pretty that is. Then we have this beautiful dark blue. Oh, I'm loving this dark blue. Ooh, that's gorgeous. It almost reminds me of like a watercolor. Then we have this plaid pattern. Oh, that green. Then we have some more of those little flowers. A little different though, smaller. Then we have this one. And then this beautiful one. And that. Yeah, mama likey all these colors. And you know what? Every time I get a paper pad, I always like, this is like my favorite. But it's true. I'm kind of now, I really, yeah, cannot wait to dig into these and start making some cards. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the cardstock that came in the kit. All right. So we get 6 sheets of colored cardstock. We have some glittery cardstock. This is the sparkle sheet, and this is Barbershop Blue. But is that not stunning? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Then we have the 6 sheets of cardstock. This one is, we got Lime Crush by Basil. This one is Tropical. Doesn't have a name on it. It says Tropical. This one is Peacock. This one is Arctic. This one is Daisy. And then we have 2 of the ice rink cardstocks. These are 110 pounds, so these are good card bases and such. So there is that. All right. And now let's take a look at our Stampin' Die combo. Oh, before we do that, I forgot, because I didn't see it at first. Here's our cute little flare. It's a butterfly. So cute. Love the flare. Okay. Here it is. Look at that. The Home Sweet Home stamp set. This is awesome. I love that it's solid stamping. I mean, I love coloring, but solid stamping is super fun. It's kind of a nice little break. And it looks like, ooh, so you got the one leaf. We'll go with the jar. And you can stamp your little flowers right on top of that if you want, or maybe even put those flowers in there if you want. We've got this cute deer, and I like how it's like folk. I don't even know if that's what you call it. And then this house, we have another flower pattern, got a leaf, another leaf. We've got like a moth or a butterfly. And then we have 2 sentiments in here that say, from our home sweet home to yours and always in my heart. I love that. This would actually make some really great tags some great regular cards, like A2 size cards, great slimline cards, and I'm actually going to try and make lots of slimline. And here we have our matching die to go with this. So you've got the die for the deer, the die for the house, you've got the die for this leaf, then you have the die for this flower, you have the die for this leaf, this flower, these leaves, and you also have the die for the jar and the butterfly. So you have, for all of them, you know, other than like this one, because that's the one that's going to be a part of this. And the sentiments, of course. But, oh, I love this. I love it so much. But I am going to bring in some slimline dies. So we've got the stitched slimline dies. Now, this is not a part of the kit. So let me put this kit over here so that you are not confused as to how that goes. But here are the slimline dies that are new to the store. We've got the stitched slimline, the layered slimline, the Sympathy slimline, the beautiful slimline, so it says hello beautiful, and then this one, Leafy slimline, which, ooh yeah, that's good. Any of these will be absolutely beautiful with those. So I'll have everything linked down below. If the kit's available, I'll have it linked down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe so that you know when I have a video come out, because that way you'll be able to check it out when this one goes live. And hopefully it's just a matter of a few days before I have this one out. All right, everybody. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.